guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have taken my braids out. I am going to wash and condition my hair, and I'm going to come back to you guys with a straight hair routine, so stay with me. Let's get this hair straight. So I'm going to show you my techniques on how I straighten my hair, for those of you who want to know. First off, my hair is washed, shampooed, and conditioned. And then the first thing I usually do when I get out of the shower, obviously it's been a little bit because I was doing some other stuff with the kids, whatever. I use the BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Heat Protector Primer. It's like a hair primer. So I usually use this. This is about $30 at my hair salon. So you don't need to spray my hair. Just spray it all over. It's about to run out though. And I do this because I still have to blow dry my hair. So you get a bunch of these. And I separate my hair into sections of how I'm going to blow dry it. And then also for my heat protectant, after I blow dry my hair, I'm going to be using the Beyond the Zone Turn Up Heat. I'm not going to be using a lot of this, just like spray it on there sporadic and like mist it on. This is not the ideal way I do my hair. I like to go to the hairdresser, like I said. So I use it on high heat, and I put it on a high setting because my hair dries quick, and I like to hurry up and get it done. So I just usually do the high setting and go through really quickly. As you can see, it went through quick. So then I turn on the cool heat, and I go back through with cold air. and now I'm going to give my flat iron a chance to heat up. And then what I'm going to do is take the spray that I showed you guys earlier and just spray it all in my hair. Ooh. And blend it all in. Massage it all in. Sometimes it's weird on my hand. So I'm going to give my flat iron a chance to heat up. I put my settings on 375 and we'll get to flat iron our hair, okay? Alright, so we're back and I let my hair cool off a little bit. So now we're going to flat iron. So I already put my hair up like in a clip. I start from the back of my hair, and what I do is, some people use the chase method. I really don't. Sometimes I do. It just depends. I have a smaller comb that I like to use, but I can't find it right now. So I'm going to start from the back and spray a little bit of the heat spray from a distance. I have this on 375. The trick that my hairstylist told me to do was, when I'm flat ironing my hair, don't squeeze the plates down all the way. Don't like clamp the plates down, because that's what causes heat damage. Most people, when they flat iron your hair, if you go to I go to a Dominican salon, they clamp the plates and press. That's what causes heat damage on your hair. Don't do it. So what I do is I just take a little sections at a time and lightly pass. Now, you could pass over it more than once because you're not pressing down on the plates. You're not pressing down on your plates. I'm just like going over it like gently, just so like I can get it straight. You want some volume, but you don't want a lot of volume. Well, some people like volume. I don't personally like a little volume. I don't care, because by the third day the oil in my scalp set in and it's all gravy. Now I sprayed that entire spray over all over my hair before I started. So I'm just gonna get to flat ironing. I straighten my hair. Most people use the chase method. Other people use different kinds of methods. But I could tell by having the braids in my hair for 2 months that my hair has grown. I like it in a couple of days. I like a little volume. So that's why I don't press so hard on my flat iron. I absolutely love it. I could do my hair at home also, but I choose to go to the salon. But when I do my hair here, this is how I do it. If you like it, then hit that subscribe button. And if you still didn't like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share my video. I have to give this video 4,000 views. So let's get this video popping. Share it on all your social media. If somebody want to know how to flat iron hair, natural hair, do so. I've been natural for about 3. Whoa, back up. Whoa, girl, back up. She'll be 7 in April, but MJ was a year. So about 6 years I've been natural. I know I have a couple setbacks because I got my hair braided. I got a sew in and the girl braided my hair too tight, and then I had breakage there. Then I decided I wanted to do a Brazilian blowout on my hair at home, and I fried my hair. I had a couple setbacks, but I got the right person who's helping me grow my hair back. As you can see, it's more thicker than it was. It's getting longer, so I'm just follow me on this journey and to healthy hair. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.